Hey guys, Mobile Geezer here. And I like to bring you guys information that might be valuable or helpful. And I found a story on Phone Arena, and it'll probably only be helpful to an iPhone user who might be flying for business or flying for pleasure. So let's go take a look at it.
All right, let's do it.
So no emergency information here, but if you're an iPhone user on a flight, you might find this information valuable or at least worth checking. So as I said, it was on Phone Arena. It's from 4 days ago. Your iPhone battery might be at risk of swelling after users discover a new problem. It seems like some newer iPhone models have a chance of being unsafe for air travel. Published January 2nd. Written by Abdullah Asim. So let's drop it into reader view, get rid of these ads. Newer iPhone models might have a bit of a problem with how their batteries are assembled if new reports coming in are to be believed. If this problem is more widespread than initially thought, then there could be many more iPhone models whose batteries are at risk of swelling, which can lead to electrical fires and worse. Like I said, I think it's only happened to a couple of people, but if you're going to be on a plane, it might be worth knowing. iPhone battery swells during flight. According to a user report, the poster's iPhone 16 Pro Max swelled during a flight, something which the user took a picture of mid-flight. What's even more bizarre is that the phone returned to normal when the plane landed, but not before swelling enough to force the back panel to detach from the body. And yeah, we've got a picture down here. So you managed to get this picture, and you can see it's pushing up right there, but I guess once you get back on the ground, it's okay. Another user reported the same phenomenon in the comments, this time for an iPhone 15. This phone also swelled during 2 flights, returning to normal once the planes were back on the ground. Why this might be happening? Some commenters chimed in with explanations for why this might be happening. The running theory seems to be that some iPhone batteries have gas in them that is unable to swell at normal atmospheric pressure, in other words, if you're on the ground. If someone travels in an older plane, which might not maintain cabin pressure all too well, then the gas is able to make the battery swell. This would explain why the swelling went away after the planes landed. It would also explain why the second user's phone, I think it should say, didn't experience this problem once they got their battery replaced. Some batteries might not be as properly manufactured as others. What you should do in such a situation. If you ever find yourself in the middle of a flight with a swollen iPhone, or any phone really, alert the crew immediately. The risk of an electrical fire during a flight is too dangerous to simply ignore. Also, remember to take pictures. The first time that the second user tried to get their phone's battery replaced at an Apple store, they were told that such a thing cannot happen. They had to provide photographic proof next time around to get a replacement. Such an event will also probably ruin your phone's water and dust-resistant capabilities. This seems like a very rare occurrence, but it only takes one bad phone to turn a routine flight into a terrifying experience for hundreds. Like I said, seems very rare, but if you're going to be on a plane with an iPhone, you might as well be aware of it. So, as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
Yeah. Yeah.